can't stress enough that there are the mechanics of promoting contribution that we can all learn and practice, but the people dynamics can often interfere, and we must have the ability to modify our approach in order to navigate the process with difficult personalities. This requires patience and resilience and dedication to getting to the optimal solution. We have all probably had run-ins with the dominator. They are excitable and tend to try to control. Sometimes they have a bullying personality, and this can be counterproductive to making progress in the working group. There are multiple ways to manage the dominator. First, acknowledge that you heard the person's input and then ask others for their comments and perspective. Amplify the person's comments and add others' input, essentially modeling that it's important to have input from the entire group. Make sure you create ways to keep track of items that are not relevant if it is important to do so. Ramblers provide input for the sake of having done so and tend to take the conversation and/or mailing list off topic. Ramblers can bring irrelevant as well as out-of-scope content to in-person conversations and on the mailing list. It is important to focus the rambler. Make sure you communicate your expectations. Set time and conversation limits where applicable or helpful. Prepare for the chance that things may go off topic. Complainers are sometimes ignored because much of the time they are complaining for the sake of complaining. What can often get lost is when the complaints are legitimate. Hold the complainer accountable for what they're bringing up. Ask them for their recommendations. Help them solve their own problems. Model positive interactions for them and for others. In dealing with participants in working groups, there are some basic people principles to keep in mind. People are intrinsically reasonable. People do not like to be blamed. People prefer the positive to the negative. People share similar fears. People are creative, especially if asked.